how to change Walmart store. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your Walmart store, whether you're changing your store for online grocery orders, delivery preferences, or just updating your location. These steps will help you get it done quickly, so let's jump right in. First, open the Walmart app on your phone or head to walmart.com. This process can be done on both the app and the website, so use whichever method you prefer. Now navigate to your account settings. Simply tap on three horizontal lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Now navigate to your account settings. Simply look for your account or sign in icon at the top right corner of the page. Now in the account settings, find the change store or manage pickup location option. If you're using the app, this will typically be under the grocery section. On the website, it is usually located or listed as change a store under the shopping option. Once you click or tap on change store, you'll be asked to enter your new zip code or city. Walmart will then show you a list of nearby stores. Select the store you want to use as your new default location. If you want to pick up groceries, make sure it's a store that offers that service. After you've selected your new store, confirm your selection by tapping or clicking on the confirm button. Your store preferences will now be updated. And that's it. That's how you simply successfully change your Walmart store for orders, pickups, or delivery.